there, welcome to another video for Ross.co, and in this video we're just going to show you quickly on how to uninstall Manycam. Now if you are on a Mac and you use Manycam, you may find that when you go to use the camera on the photobooth app, for example, then you might get an error to say you have to open up Manycam, especially when you uninstall by clicking and dragging the Manycam folder into the recycling bin. So the correct way to uninstall Manycam is by double clicking the folder, then going to Uninstall Manycam, okay, like so. Then you press continue, and then we press make sure you have Manycam effects checked and deactivate Manycam checked. Then we click on install. Now we type in our password, like so. Have uninstalled Manycam. It should open up with Safari. And now if we went to photobooth, for example, you can now see our photobooth now works. If you have any questions or if you need further assistance, be sure to jump to Ross.co.net, or you can comment down below or find us on Facebook and Instagram and LinkedIn, and we'll be more than happy to help you. Or you can give us a phone call on 1300 756 258. We are available Monday to Friday, Australian Eastern Standard Time. If you need further assistance like on-site assistance, you are more than welcome to make a booking. Thanks for watching, and we'll be more than happy to help you. Be sure to subscribe, like, rate and comment.